Italian officials announced an easing of some coronavirus restrictions for vaccinated people on Wednesday, where even a red zone restrictions will not involve vaccinated people.
Italian Minister of Health Roberto Speranza confirmed the changes, which includes an exemption from restrictions in the country's red zones for those who are vaccinated. Students who are fully jabbed will no longer be required to take their classes remotely, but government will reduce learning duration for a few classes that will have to go on remote learning from 10 to 5 days. Vaccine certificates will now have unlimited validity for people who've had booster doses. Previously, the certificates had run out after 6 months.
È un messaggio molto forte. Prolunghiamo la vigenza del Green Pass dopo il booster. Come sapete, questa vigenza oggi è di 6 mesi. Non avendo ancora le nostre autorità scientifiche individuato.
A White House COVID-19 task force is assuring public that Federal Drug Administration will not cut corners in reviewing Pfizer vaccine for children under the age of 5.
And this comes after Pfizer on Tuesday asked the U.S. to authorize extra low doses of its COVID-19 vaccine for children under 5, which potentially opened the way for the very youngest Americans to start receiving shots as early as March.
And thanks for joining us. Today, Dr. Walensky will provide an update on Omicron.
Pfizer's application will now undergo the same independent, rigorous, and transparent review process that was used to authorize the vaccines that now more than 250 million Americans have received, including millions of children ages 5 and up. It will involve the FDA receiving the full data from Pfizer, posting that data publicly, and then convening its advisory committee for a transparent discussion of the data. The FDA will then render its opinion, after which the CDC and its advisory group will assess the data and make their recommendation. This is the same rigorous process that was used to assess numerous vaccines long before the pandemic began.